In this video tutorial, we will provide you with instructions to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site Carzoonuxer.top. It's a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you download some malicious file. And then it says you need to send some SMS to a certain number to get that file, to prove that you are not a robot. But this is a trap, because if you do that, you are under the risk of being redirected to some malicious site. And as a result, your computer may be damaged even more tremendously. So these pop-ups by Carzoonuxer.top are dangerous, and you should not interact with them. In fact, such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on your computer. I would recommend you to research the control panel carefully, where you can find all available applications, and if you see anything suspicious, get rid of them. I would also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page Carzoonuxer.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.